Hello everyone, this lesson is about earthquake. You have learned from the previous lesson about the meaning and examples of the scale, especially magnitude scale versus intensity scale. In addition to that, here you're going to learn that the intensity is expressed using Roman numeral 1, 2, and 3 as indicated here, while magnitude uses Indo-Arabic numerals. You have 2, 3, 4 as indicated here. The earthquake starts active fault. An active fault is a fault that is likely to become the source of another earthquake sometimes in the future. Geologists commonly consider faults to be active if there has been movement observed or evidence of seismic activity during the last 10,000 years. These are structures along which we expect displacement to occur. The process that produces displacement across a fault continuously. All shallow earthquakes occur on active faults. These are examples of how to show the line graph presentation of inactive fault, active fault, reactivated fault. It's also based on the past, present, and future. So you can also see here the cumulative displacement. Let us take a look at active faults in the Philippines as an example here on the Philippine map. Look at the picture as an example of an active fault. This picture is an example of another active fault. A very specific example of an active fault in the Philippines is called the Marikina active fault line. You will see on the map that it is from Laguna. It stretches the fault line or the active earthquake fault up to Bulacan. In continuation of the lesson, the effects of movement on an active fault include strong ground motion, surface faulting, tectonic deformation, landslides and rockfalls, liquefaction, tsunamis, and sayaks. In an inactive fault, these are structures that we can identify but does not have earthquakes. If a fault has been inactive for millions of years, it's certainly safe to call it inactive. In this example here, you can see that the traces of active faults are shown in red. So it means that active and inactive faults are both can be in one or a certain place. This location is in San Gorgonio Pass.